In this video, I will show you how to use AI commands to create a blog post. AI commands use AI technology to help you create better content. Let's dive right in. If you manage multiple properties, make sure you have selected the correct one. First, click the knowledge base icon located at the top of the dashboard. Next, create a new article to get started. To add a new paragraph, click this button. Click on the text box and these options will appear. Click this icon and it will prompt you to tell AI Assist what to do. Simply tell AI to act like a content writer and write a blog post under 500 words explaining the importance of digital transformation in the business industry. Once it finishes, it will give you 4 options: done, continue writing, retry, or discard. In this case, let's click Continue Writing. If you are satisfied with the result, just click Done, and boom, you have successfully created a blog post using AI commands. For further instructions on how to use this function, please visit our community center or schedule a call with an AI Assist specialist by clicking the link in the description.